I ask everyone here to witness that I, Timothy Francis Worry, take you, Rachael Romaine Feltwell, to be my lawfully wedded wife. Rachael, you are wickedly intelligent and wildly beautiful. I love your sense of humour and your funny dance moves.
What funny dance moves?
I will encourage you to pursue those things in life that make you most happy. When we travel the world, I will walk with you every step of the way. Whether you remain healthy or get sick, I will take care of you. I will make decisions when you get decision fatigue or just don't feel like it. I will always be willing to practice trivia with you, even though I read at a snail's pace. I will always support you, especially when you want to watch football. I will help you to create a happy home with whatever decorations our interior designer thinks are best. I will sort the puzzle pieces in the way that you want them sorted and find where particular puzzle pieces go. I will listen when you need someone to talk to and consider what you mean as well as what you say. I will love and respect you every day for the rest of my life.
Tim, I love you. Whether it's on grand adventures or at home on the couch, you are my favourite person to have by my side. I believe we are a genuinely excellent match, attested to by our years of friendship and chemistry on netball courts, trivia teams and dance floors. You are my teammate, my greatest supporter and my best friend. I'm so excited for a lifetime of marriage to the man that I still have the biggest crush on. You're clever and witty, supportive and kind, headstrong and handsome, and kind of annoyingly good at everything. I promise to keep an open mind to spontaneity, watch at least one movie a year, and continue to date you. I vow before our loved ones to be your teammate, your biggest cheerleader, and your supportive wife. I can't wait to spend a lifetime married to my best friend. I love you.
Rachael, Tim, I am so happy you have chosen to walk this life together as husband and wife. We can all see the love you have for each other. May it continue to grow with each passing day you're together.
I got feel, I got bite, I got more than meets the eye. I got something here that you just can't deny. I'm doing me, do my thing. I got no apologies, and I'm loving every inch and every side. Gonna get it now and move it, 'cause that's just the way I do it. Gonna show you what I'm made of, what I got. I own it.
Tim, you're incredibly lucky. You've always got someone who will ask you how your day was and genuinely want to know the answer. Someone who will always bake you sweet treats and who will be right there on the couch with you watching the footy. And Rachel, you found yourself an incredible partner. Someone who will always be ready to hit the dance floor, makes a delicious French martini, and someone who will help you find your keys when they go missing.
The two of you together make a fantastic couple. Your synergy and energy on the dance floor is exactly what you look for in another partner. Your ability to provide warmth to your friends, to love each other, to be there for the tough times, for the good times, is one that I will always remember. And Timothy, I love you. Rachel, take care of him.
To Rachel and Tim, congratulations. May you have a wonderful, joyful, loving and happy life together. Marriage is about love, joy and happiness. It's also about give and take. If you give more than you take, you will be truly happy together. Thank you.